Today we are going to tackle a ceiling install. First step is to measure. Make sure you measure the height and width according to how you want your pattern to lay. Once you receive your wallpaper, start by removing any objects from the ceiling. This may include vents, lighting fixtures, fire alarms, etc. Next, take a damp microfiber washcloth and wipe down the ceiling. This step is especially crucial near any air vents, as excess dust accumulates here. Now it's time to start with your first panel. Grab an A panel. This is definitely a job you will want to have 2 people for. One will hold the panel's weight up, while the other presses the panel into the ceiling. You always want to start 1 to 2 inches over your starting line to account for crooked wall lines. When approaching an obstacle, cut around it as you install. You won't want to wait until you're done installing that panel to go back to it, because this can cause the surrounding area to bubble. Grab your next panel and repeat the same steps. Follow this process until you get to your last panel. An additional tip for the last panel is to trim the panel down to the size that you need to fill, plus 2 to 3 inches for forgiveness. This makes the panel much easier to work with. Once all the panels are installed, trim around all of your edges and reapply the removed obstacles. You may want to consider reinforcing the corners of each panel with a flush 3M command strip. Ceilings are commonly heavier texture, and the full weight of the panel is fighting gravity much more than a typical vertical wall. Also, because of the commonly heavy texture, we suggest choosing a darker and/or busier pattern to help camouflage the texture. The end result is a stunning statement. Can't wait to see yours!